Hello and welcome to this video where we will go over how to become your own bank using life insurance. If you're tired of groveling to banks for loans and want to take control of your financial future, then this video is for you. Many people think of life insurance as just an expense for their loved ones in case they pass away. But did you know that life insurance can also be a powerful tool for building wealth and assisting you in becoming your own bank? In this video, we'll explain how you can harness the power of life insurance to build real wealth and take control of your time and financial decisions. We'll show you why life insurance is superior to traditional investment vehicles and how it can help you finance large purchases like real estate or businesses without dipping into your savings. So, let's dive in and discover the power of life insurance as a wealth building tool. Most people think of life insurance as simply providing a death benefit to their beneficiaries, but there's another important component that often gets overlooked: borrowing from the cash value of the policy. Let's say you have a savings account with a bank. You deposit money into the account and earn a small amount of interest. But the interest rate is not guaranteed, and the bank can change the rate at any time. You can withdraw money from the account whenever you want, but if you withdraw too much or too often, you may incur fees or penalties. On the other hand, a whole life insurance policy offers guaranteed returns, dividend accumulation, tax-free growth, policy loans, and a death benefit. You deposit money into the policy, which earns interest at a guaranteed rate. The interest accumulates tax-free and can be used to purchase more insurance coverage, pay premiums, or take out a policy loan. The death benefit also provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your untimely death. So, while a savings account may seem like a safe and easy option for storing your money, a whole life insurance policy can offer more benefits and opportunities for wealth building. By using a life insurance policy, you're essentially becoming your own bank. You can use your policy to finance large purchases like an investment property or educational expenses without dipping into your savings or other investments. Permanent life insurance policies such as whole life insurance offer what I like to refer to as the Big Five: guaranteed returns, dividend accumulation, tax-free growth, policy loans, and a death benefit. This makes life insurance a powerful asset for achieving both short-term and long-term wealth building goals. Let's break these down. Firstly, guaranteed returns. A guaranteed return is one of the biggest benefits of whole life insurance policies. Unlike other investments that may fluctuate with the market, whole life insurance policies come with a contractually guaranteed rate of return each year. For example, let's say you purchase a $100,000 whole life insurance policy with a guaranteed return rate of 3%. This means that each year you will receive a guaranteed return of $3,000. But that's not all. Insurance providers may also offer additional perks to policyholders, such as cash bonuses or interest-free loans. For instance, some policies may offer a cash bonus after a certain number of years of being a policyholder, or a reduced premium rate if you pay a certain amount up front. These perks can provide even more value beyond just the policy's death benefit. So, while whole life insurance policies may seem like just another expense, they offer a stable source of income and can provide greater sense of security and peace of mind. The next component of the Big Five: dividend accumulation. When you own a whole life or permanent life insurance policy, your cash value can also earn dividends over time as the policy matures. Typically, the dividend rate ranges from 1 to 3%. These dividends can be used to enhance your coverage by offering additional benefits such as cash withdrawals or premium rebates, which ultimately reduce the overall cost of your insurance. For instance, let's say you have a whole life policy with a cash value of $100,000 and a death benefit of $500,000. If the policy's dividend rate is 2%, then you would earn $2,000 in dividends that year. You can use these dividends to pay your premium or reinvest them back into the policy to increase your death benefit and cash value. Moreover, the dividends can also be utilized to fund other long-term goals by investing in various investment vehicles, giving you complete control over the growth and management of your policy. This feature makes your life insurance policy a versatile and valuable asset that can support your financial goals over time. And this is how you can use your policy to become your very own bank. The third benefit of whole life insurance policies: tax-free growth. Unlike many other investment options that are taxed as income, whole life insurance policies allow you to accumulate returns without having to pay taxes on them. For instance, let's say you invest in stocks and earn a profit of $5,000. With traditional investments, you'd have to pay taxes on that profit. However, With a whole life insurance policy, you can earn returns without worrying about taxes, allowing your money to grow even more over time. This makes it a smart choice for those who want to plan for the long term and build their wealth in a tax-efficient manner. One of the most appealing features of whole life or permanent life insurance policies is the ability to take out policy loans, which is number 4 of the Big 5. Once you've built up a significant cash value in your policy, you have several options available to you. One option is to surrender the policy and withdraw the full amount. Alternatively, you can choose to partially withdraw the cash value while still maintaining your life coverage. But what many people overlook is the option to borrow against the cash value of the policy. By borrowing from your policy, you can still maintain your coverage and use the cash value to fund important purchases or investments. Plus, the interest rates on policy loans are typically much lower than those offered by traditional banks. For example, let's say you want to purchase an investment property but don't have the cash available. Instead of taking out a high-interest bank loan, you can borrow against the cash value of your life insurance policy at a much lower interest rate. This way, you become the bank and can avoid the hassle of dealing with traditional lenders. The last of the Big 5 benefits of a whole life insurance policy is the death benefit. It's what most people associate with life insurance, but it's the least important reason to buy a policy. The primary benefit of a whole life policy is that it allows you the ability to borrow from yourself and access the cash value of the policy. While the death benefit is important and provides financial security for your loved ones in the event of an unexpected tragedy, the real value of a whole life policy is in its ability to grow your wealth over time. The cash value of the policy increases over time, but it's not enough to keep up with inflation. However, by taking advantage of the policy loans, you can maximize the effectiveness of the policy as a wealth-building tool. So, to fully harness the potential of whole life insurance policies, it's important to view them as a financial tool rather than just a means of protecting your family. These policies offer stability and protection, but they can also serve as a valuable asset for increasing your overall net worth. Essentially, your policy becomes your bank. In addition to not having to go through difficult credit evaluations, you won't face mandatory monthly payments either. You'll only need to pay back the amount that you use. Another benefit of borrowing from your life insurance policy is that it doesn't come with high opportunity costs, unlike other options, where you have to deal with a bank. You can use the money you borrow to invest in other opportunity, like purchasing an investment property, or you can use it to invest in yourself by enrolling in a personal development course or starting a business. Ultimately, your cash value is always available to you when you need it, and it can be a valuable asset in growing your overall net worth. Rather than relying on traditional financial institutions, borrowing from the bank of you can provide greater control and flexibility over your finances. In conclusion, taking control of your finances and understanding the power of money is crucial for building true wealth. While whole life insurance may not be the best fit for everyone, it can be an effective tool for those seeking flexibility and stability in their financial lives. By becoming your own bank, you can access your cash value when you need it and invest in opportunities that align with your goals. And if you're looking to deepen your understanding of the psychology behind money and wealth, I highly recommend checking out our videos on this channel and Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money. With these insights and strategies, you can take the first steps toward building a more prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies on how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.